In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress in Godaddy hosting. If you're ready to get started with building your own website, you've come to the right place. Let's go through these steps together. First, head over to GoDaddy's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your name in the upper right corner of the screen and then select My Products from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage all the products and services you have with GoDaddy. Next, find the web hosting section on that page and click on Setup. Here, you'll choose the domain name that you intend to use for your WordPress site. Simply select the domain and click Update. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to choose a data center. It's often best to select a location closest to your target audience for quicker loading times. Now click on Yes, Let's Do It to proceed. At this point, you'll need to create a WordPress username and password. Make sure to choose credentials that are both memorable and secure. Once you're happy with them, proceed by clicking on I'm done, continue setup. Next, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Click on the cPanel admin button to access more backend settings. To add more functionality to your domain, create an add-on domain by entering the necessary information related to your domain settings. Then return to the GoDaddy main page and click Manage All under Domain Settings. From here, navigate to DNS and hit Manage Zones. When prompted, type in your domain name to access its DNS records. You'll need to copy certain DNS records from GoDaddy, which you'll then paste into Namecheap if you use that service. With that done, click on the admin button for further domain management. If you notice that your site is not secure, no worries, we're going to install an SSL certificate to fix that. Start by entering your domain name and email, then proceed by clicking on HTTP. Accept the terms and conditions and click to create a free SSL certificate. Follow the prompts to download a small file to your computer. Now go back to GoDaddy and enter the hosting section again. Look for the option marked Web Hosting and click on Manage. Once you access the cPanel, click on File Manager. In File Manager, you will create a new folder for your SSL files. Name this folder as required and upload your downloaded SSL files here to complete the process. To finalize the SSL setup, return to cPanel's main page and search for SSL. Click on SSL and then Manage Sites under Install and Manage SSL for your site, HTTPS. Select your domain and follow the instructions to paste the necessary SSL certificate details. Lastly, paste all remaining SSL information partitioned for the Certificate Authority Bundle and Private Key. Wrap it up by clicking on Install Certificate. And there you have it. Your WordPress setup with GoDaddy and SSL installation is complete. You're now ready to start customizing your WordPress site.